This is the biggest solar array in the Four Corners.
Even if you're not Einstein, it doesn't take much to understand the best benefit of the Four Corners' first ever community solar garden.
What people save is about 1/3 of their 20-year energy cost.
John Shaw, owner of Shaw Solar and the lead on this sweet project, says this solar garden, the very first of its kind in the Four Corners, is nearly filled up, and they're already looking to number 2.
And then the other one we're building is on a county building that has a strong lease with the Boys and Girls Clubs.
With over 300 sunny days in Colorado and a lot of open fields, this really is the perfect place for a community solar garden.
To me, the most exciting part of this was that it can bring solar to a different demographic than who we normally sell solar to.
So how does it work? Simple. If you're on the grid, just sign up through the La Plata Electric Association.
They can move from Durango to Pagosa to one house to the next, and they're not losing their solar system. It's going with the meter and going with the person and then be attributed to their meter. It's really opening up the next generation of electrical generation, which is pretty exciting.
So go ahead, get your solar on while there's still space. In the neighborhood, I'm Louisa Drouet, FourCornersTV.com.